bomb blast near the Lebanese capital Beirut has killed at least 135 people and 1,000 are injured. Officials in the Arab Emirates says that the corona test is the most important for the abroad before returning to the UAE. 75 years before the US nuclear attack on the Japanese city Hiroshima on this day. OIC called the investigation into the HR violation and extrajudicial killing in the India illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. China says the unilateral change in Jammu Kashmir status illegally invalid.